Namaskar friends, welcome to Electronics Technology YouTube channel. Topic of defense technology news is Lockheed Martin says Peru F16 Block 70 proposal includes $1.8 billion industrial package local drone assembly and training. Lockheed Martin is offering Peru an industrial and social collaboration package valued at $1.8 billion alongside its F16 Block 70 proposal. The plan would pair fighter procurement with domestic aerospace workforce development and access to the company's global supply chain. The largest manufacturing element is the proposed assembly in Peru of an unmanned aerospace vehicle for the Latin American market. Lockheed Martin is also offering opportunities to co-produce defense equipment and advanced unmanned aircraft systems. The skills component includes engineering instruction, fighter maintenance courses, and a new Space Academy curriculum. Joint research hubs and an unmanned aircraft system technical institute are also included in the proposal. Lockheed Martin said the package would expand Peru's maintenance, repair and overhaul capacity while helping local companies develop international business. The company wants Peru to become a regional center for advanced unmanned systems and aerospace services. Lockheed Martin is committed to building a long-term partnership that benefits Peru and its people, while strengthening its defense capabilities, said Tara Laws, Vice President of Business Development for the Integrated Fighter Group at Lockheed Martin. As we collaborate with the local industry, we aim to deliver tangible, high-value opportunities that build a skilled workforce, enable knowledge transfer and create lasting economic impact on both sides of the partnership. Lockheed Martin said more than 2,800 F-16s are operating in 29 countries. It describes Block 70 as the newest F-16 version, offering upgraded radar and weapons systems, a longer service life and lower life cycle costs. Please subscribe, like, share and press bell icon for getting notifications of Electronics Technology YouTube channel, and for searching my YouTube channel please write @Electronics Technology 50.